All right, you guys, so allow me to reintroduce my favorite weed killer. Hands down, this is the best for me. I am going to go ahead and use this because a few weeks ago I sprayed, I think it was this Spectracide. I believe it was the weed and feed, okay? And I have to say that it fed the grass very well, you guys. The grass was growing like crazy, but the weed is still here, and actually more weed came. So I don't know. A little bit more background on my backyard. So my backyard, I had like 20 trees back here, blase, blase, blase. My backyard looked like the forest back there. Okay, just cleared out. So I honestly have a lot more work to do in this backyard. I neglected it last year. I did neglect it when I was working on my garage. The garage took most of my focus away, and I basically abandoned my backyard and front yard. So now we are going to go ahead and take care of our baby again. All right, until the next big project take my attention. But I don't think it's no other project will take my attention the way the garage did. So all right. So anyways, that's blah blah blah. Done with the backstory. I know y'all like get with it. All right. So as y'all know, with my reviews, I usually like to post my reviews after the results. All right, you guys. So I'm not going to cheat like people might do. So how you see how all that is brown? That's just because a lot of the older weed died from the other stuff. So a lot of this brown stuff was from the weed and feed, but other stuff like these clovers and stuff are emerging, and we're going to put our focus over here. So you see all of this stuff right here. All right, somebody told me that's Bermuda grass. That's what somebody said, and then somebody else said it's crabgrass. For me, I feel as though it's crabgrass. um but y'all can let me know. All right, so all of this stuff right there, that's my focus, and that is what I'm going to try to get rid of. All right, and again, I'm in Maryland. All right, so for us is cool season lawns over here. Okay, even though Maryland is technically the South, but we're not the deep South. Okay, so we don't really grow Bermuda out here. It's mainly sun and shade, tall fescue, ryegrass, and all of that. All right. And we got a lot of clovers that came right here. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this on. Oh, and that is not on tight. Make sure you get your PPE, you guys. Wear some good gloves. There we go. All right. Now to use this, you have to pull this lock out and then push back. When you push back, it says on right there. And the goal is to spray outwards and then work your way back to your home base. So we'll start here. And if you are like me, you feed the birds. I haven't fed the birds in a while because I am spraying chemicals. So I don't want the birds or no squirrels to get sick. I'll spray all of this stuff too. I'll let y'all know how everything turned out. Just give yourself some nice walks back and forth. All of that stuff is emerging right there, you guys. All of that crabgrass. I call it crabgrass. Bermuda crabgrass is ugly. It's ugly for me, you guys. My grass is supposed to look like grass. That new aerator thing, man, that thing poke holes really good, you guys. A lot of that crabgrass is emerging. But I'm going to settle it this year. We are going to go weed killer crazy this year, you guys. Ooh, this fall, we are going to make this lawn look good. I even have it coming in the garden, but I'm just going to dig it up. I don't want to spray this stuff on my blackberries. My son be picking the blackberries and eating them. Of course, he'll wash them, but still. Look at all these holes that thing poked. Thing poked a lot of holes. I need to put a lot of soil into this lawn because I got a lot of dips that I want to fix. So I got a lot of lawn renovation. I used to do a lot of lawn content and then I got away from it, but we'll get back to it. I got spray here. Like I said, I got rid of my garden. Well, the bird feeder. I haven't fed the birds in almost a month now, so they don't even come over here no more. We're almost back to our home base, you guys. So I'm trying to move my hose back at the same time doing this. If you have very irritating skin, you guys, put on some long pants. If your skin irritates, put on long sleeves. My skin don't really irritate like that. Still have a good amount left. Started from up here. Now y'all see how much we have left. I'll see y'all in about a couple of days. All right, you guys. So we are about 5 days, about good five days work week, and I have to say that weed stop is my favorite stuff, you guys. I'm sorry, it is. All right. If you know something better to kill crabgrass or to control crabgrass, let me know. All right, so we are going back in our spot, and once again we are 5 days later, and y'all saw the crabgrass, or y'all said Bermuda. Again, I'm in Maryland, you guys, so y'all let me know if Bermuda grows in Maryland. Last time I checked, Bermuda was better in like southern states. Well, Maryland is a southern state, but you know, y'all can let me know that. But this, I will have to retreat all of this. I might do it around August and September, but I do need to level out the soil again. All right, from all the damage that the crabgrass did last year from me neglecting my lawn. So don't neglect your lawn, you guys. All right, don't neglect the lawn. It did some damage over here. You see it turned all of these weeds brown. All right, over here was those yellow plants that was growing. Those are gone now. No yellow plants. All right, or yellow weeds, not plants. All right, now I'm not gonna cut the grass so low. I'm gonna start cutting the grass, leaving it high. Once again, I have to get some soil, and I didn't spray my garden, you guys, but that's the crabgrass that's coming. All right, so it's emerging, you guys, and we are in May, so yeah, it'll be up, and I'll dig them out. But for the most part, most of the weed is gone, so I'm gonna let the grass grow, and that will be it, you guys. So that weed stop is the best thing for me. If y'all know anything else that will tackle crabgrass quick, easy, y'all let me know. But other than that, we will rebuild this lawn again, you guys. All right, I have to get it back. This looks terrible. All right, you guys, so let me know what's y'all favorite weed killer or weed stopper to use, or what is that, pre-emergent to use, whether it's being tenacity or Spectracide or whatever. So let me know. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.